Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I have another unboxing for you, and it is the Lookfantastic Beauty box for the month of March. I cannot believe we are already in March. It's like yesterday we were on Christmas. Is it me or the time is flying by too quickly nowadays? I wasn't preparing to film today, even my box arrived really early. Usually I receive it after or around 10th of the month, but we are on 7th of March already, and I have my beauty box because I'm recovering from a bad flu. I was really sick last week and I'm still having some cough and nose issues. I'm not able to rest during night due to the fact that I'm waking up to cough. So I'm up from 6 and I feel like I'm fainting. But after I had 2 coffees and few pieces of chocolate, okay, I decided that I will go to film something, because this is usually a way to make me feel better. So yeah. If you don't know anything about the Lookfantastic Beauty box, I will give you quick info, but if you already know or you saw my previous videos, I will add a timestamp on the description box so you can move forward. But for those of you who doesn't know anything about Lookfantastic, I will give you a quick load. So Lookfantastic Beauty box is a beauty subscription. You receive 6 beauty items. They are either travel size or even full items. The balance between skincare and makeup is quite okay. There are some months when you get more skincare or hair care, but there are some other months when the makeup items are predominant. I think I am on my 4th year since I'm subscribed to Lookfantastic Beauty box. The price for the subscription, it is £15 per month, and the shipping is free worldwide. They offer you an option to subscribe for 3, 6 or 12 months, and the price of the box per month is slightly decreasing. You are not charged up once all the amount. If you are subscribing for 3, 6 or 12 months, you are charged monthly based on your subscription plan. So this is one thing I really love about this subscription, because I know some other beauty box subscriptions, or not even beauty box, some other subscription, if you are subscribed for longer period, then you'll be charged up with all amount, which is not really my preferred way. Of course, you can cancel anytime your subscription. You can do this whether via your account on their website, or if you are not able to do it from some certain reasons, you can anytime contact their customer department, which is really nice and willing to help. Those being said, this is how the box looks like. Last month we had a sneak peek for this month, for the March beauty box, so we know, or I know already, what is the sneak peek, what is one of the products that we are getting, and I'm really satisfied that we are getting this product because it was on my shopping list. But other than that, I didn't open it, I didn't see any spoiler on YouTube, on Facebook, Instagram. Every time I saw something related to Lookfantastic Beauty box, I just close my eyes and sweep forward. So I wanted this box to be a surprise for me, because I love surprises. Get ready to steal the spotlight. The booklet, you get information about all the products that are included on the box. Sadly, they don't include also the prices, which is a thing I would really like that Lookfantastic will do, that, to refer prices while they are giving us the information about the products. We are also getting the Elle magazine, which I really enjoy. And even my daughter is really willing to have a look on those pictures, because let's face it, they are really nice for kids They are really colorful, and she's just pointing with her little finger. This, what is this? So yeah, a future beauty guru. And I like the theme of this month is purple, or at least the cover, the paper. So really nice. Purple is my favorite color. Here is what we have inside. In the spotlight, we are shining a spotlight on some of our favorite beauty products, trends, and sharing our longest subscribers' beauty tips and tricks. So now we have a few quotes from Ellie X, the beauty editor. We are welcoming in the month of March by bringing focus to some of our favorite beauty products. Sharing the spotlights this month are some incredible products that will cover you from head to toe. With some incredible skincare products to cosmetics that will take center stage in your makeup bag, this month is sure to be a showstopper. In this edition of the Beauty Box magazine, we are sharing some key beauty trends for Spring-Summer 2019, chatting to some of our oldest subscribers, and shining a spotlight on one of our favorite ingredients of the moment. After the actual products that are inside, we are giving some sneak peek for the products that we are getting on Lookfantastic website, what are the news, what are trends. So here there are some information about Morphe and Jacqueline's Heel palette, also Morphe setting spray and brushes. So Lookfantastic is also carrying Morphe. If you don't know that, let's put our hands inside and dig for some products. Okay, first product. Woo! This is an EOS lip balm. I have already one EOS lip balm. So mine, it's almost empty. And I really love this balm. I'm using, especially during winter, I'm basically eating them. So this is in the scent coconut milk. Okay, really nice. I love it. First item, I love it. US lip balm. Achieve perfectly soft lips with this handy lip balm, enriched with moisturizing shea butter and conditioning oils to give you softer and nourished lips. Certified 100% organic and natural, this hypoallergenic lip balm is an essential for cooler months. How to use? Apply to lips for a boost of moisture. So here there is a mention that products might vary, and I want to say that my son is really chuffed on this balm. He already ate one of my previous US lip balms. It was the one in green, and one time I came home and I discovered that I have no lip balm, because of course he's attracted to the nice scent. And also I've noticed some of them, they are also leaving you on the lips some sweet taste. Oh yeah, smells coconut. So it's white, but I will not swatch it because it's just a balm, doesn't have any tint. Yeah, so I really love the scent, and I'm completely thrilled that I got another lip balm for my purse. This, it will live in my purse for sure. Next item. Woo! Omorovita. I cannot believe. So this is cleansing foam. Oh, thank you, Lookfantastic. I'm almost reaching my last cleansing gel from my subscription, and I was thinking when I will get another cleansing balm, cleansing solution, cleansing whatever, because I stopped buying cleansing products for my face just for the reason that I'm getting a lot of them in subscription boxes, and now from a couple of months I didn't get any, and I'm just finishing one by one all my cleansers. So yeah, this is really handy for me. So second item, I love it. Omorovita cleansing foam. Remove makeup and impurities without stripping the skin with this gentle foaming cleanser devoid of harmful sulfates. Containing white lupin to energize the skin and detoxifying copper gluconate, Skin will be left fresh and clear. I hope I spelled correctly those ingredients. How to use? Lightly moisten face and apply a pearl-sized amount. And the editor tip it is, massage into a damp skin with a circular motion to stimulate circulation and blood flow. Okay guys, excuse my voice. It's not completely on the normal power, so if you feel or hear that I'm a bit strangulated, this is because my voice is still recovering, like all my body, from the flu that I had last month. Okay, so it's sealed, but there is nothing I can show because it is just a cleanser, so a foam cleanser, but I will report to you on that. Okay, we do get here 30 mils or 1 fluid ounces, and here, by the way, this is a full-size product. So till now we have a deluxe sample and a full-size item. Moving forward, Smart from Madara Organic Skincare. So this is the product, and how much you get here? 12.5 milliliters. So we have this tube, really nice. I think I had another, I still have it, another mask from Madara. Okay, so this is something black. I will not put this on my hand, but I can see the product that is coming out of this tube. It's black. Yeah, so what you can expect from a charcoal mask, to be black. Madara, I hope I'm pronouncing it well. Madara Smart Anti-Pollution Charcoal and Mud Repair Mask. Purify and decongest the complexion with this detoxifying treatment mask infused with antioxidants, vitamins and essential minerals. Harnessing the power of charcoal and black northern mud, this face mask draws out dirt, impurities and pollution built up, leaving the complexion radiant and revitalized. How to use? Apply to clean skin, leave for 5-10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Use 2-3 times a week for best results. So I love that we don't have to keep it for 15-20 minutes. So you can apply, then jump in your shower, and then you can rinse it. Okay, the editor's tip. If you have drier skin, we suggest following the use of this mask with a hyaluronic rich moisturizer to give the skin a hydration boost. Ooh, so this is good tip. I like reading the tips because sometimes they are more helpful than the actual description of the product. 3 more products to go. The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5, 30 ml. Ooh, so this is a full size. Yeah, I love it. I had previously and I just finished mine. So this is a well-known brand. So this is coming in a glass bottle, and you have here a dropper, and the consistency is a bit thick. I used to use this in every morning because on the evening I was applying my retinol, also from The Ordinary. And right now I don't have any hyaluronic acids. This is really welcome in my skincare regimen. The Ordinary Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5 Hydration Support Formula. I think it's something new and improved. I'll have to have a look if it's the same, like the one that I had before. Treat your complexion to a moisture boost with this intensely hydrating serum. Packed full of hyaluronic acid to deliver long-lasting moisture, this serum acts as a hydration support formula to leave skin smooth, plump and youthful looking. How to use? Apply few drops on the face in the morning and evening before moisturizer. Editor's tip. Store this in the fridge for a refreshing boost upon application. Ooh, so maybe this is a good hint for the summer. So thank you Lookfantastic for stocking me up with this product. Ritual of Sakura Shooting Hand Balm. Relieve dry and tired hands with this rich and luxurious soothing hand balm, harnessing the powers of shea butter and organic rice milk. This balm replenishes and rejuvenates hands with a subtle fragrance that relaxes the senses. How to use: carefully massage into hands and cuticles. Editor's tip: apply before bed for soft hands in the morning. Ooh, it's really nice. Even I don't have my smell on the complete 100% cure, I'm still able to feel the scent. So cherry blossom and rice milk, it is infused. So this is for sure, yeah, I feel the cherry blossom scent. Our last product, it is from Morphe. It is looking like a highlighter. Yeah, highlighter. Okay, I never had anything from Morphe. No, I do have more brushes. So we have it in the shade Spark. It's a golden peachy shade. Not sure if the camera will pick up. Yeah. So it's really soft and buttery texture. Achieve luminous skin with this prismatic highlighter. With an innovative formula, this weightless highlighter delivers high shine. In a perfect golden hue, this highlighter is an essential for making the complexion appear radiant and glowy. How to use: dust over prominent areas of the face, including the cheekbones, bridge of the nose, brow bone and cupid's bow. For a glowy and beachy look, we love using this as an eyeshadow. So this was the editor tip. Okay, so nothing else, just the words. Even though it's not so much makeup, this month is really good, and we are getting nice brands like Omorovita, Rituals, Madara, and of course the Ordinary. We're getting 2 full-size products, this hyaluronic acid and the lip balm. I'm not sure about hand cream, if it is full size. We are getting a very generous size of the Omorovita cleansing foam, which all know that Omorovisa, I don't know exactly if it's spelled correctly. Omorovita, it's really high-end skincare brand. We are getting another high-end brand, Madara, a charcoal mask, which I'm really excited to try it, and of course a highlighter from Morphe. So I'm happy that I have the first makeup product from Morphe. I never had anything from them before. Thank you really much to Lookfantastic for stocking up this month with some of my favorite products, or some of the products that I was in a need. I hope you enjoy my review. This month I will have another beauty box to review. I just subscribed to a more luxury subscription. I'm waiting for my box to come. It is quite expensive, but more details you will get once I will unboxing and I will review it for you. I hope you like this video and you will subscribe before you leave. Please leave me in your comments what are the products that are more excited to you, and whether you will subscribe or not to Lookfantastic. Maybe you will do so. So in this case, just check the information that I will put on the description box, how you can get more money back in case that you will do so. And other than that, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye!